How to clear all your emails on your Gmail account. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to clear all your emails on your Gmail account. So let's get started. It's really easy to do. You will get this box right here on your Gmail account once you sign in. So you can just select this option right here and it will select all of your email that you have in your inbox. We also get other options. Let's say that if I want to select maybe all read email, then I can just click on read and it will select the ones that I have actually read. Or I can go with select all unread emails and then it will select all the unread emails for me. Similarly, we have starred and unstarred as well. So to clear all, you will have to select all option. And then you can just click on this delete option right here and it will delete all of your email from your account right here. Keep in mind, the emails that you will delete will be transferred to your bin right here. So if you want to simply get them back, okay, actually, let me delete some. I'm not going to delete all. So what I will do is I'm going to go with start. So I'm going to go with unread and I have a lot of unread messages. So I'm going to click on delete and they will be deleted from here. Now, they will be moved to my bin right here. So I'm going to open up the trash and here they are, all of these. So to permanently delete the emails, you will have to click on more, or you can just simply go ahead and click on empty bin now. Once you click on empty bin now, all of the different emails will be deleted, or you can recover some as well. So yeah, guys, this is how you can go ahead and delete all of your emails from your Gmail account. Just select the option and then click on delete. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.